In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal business account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to expand your payment options, setting up a PayPal business account can offer you greater flexibility and more tools to manage your transactions. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to paypal.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner, where you'll see an option to sign up for a PayPal account. Click on this to begin the process. PayPal offers different types of accounts, so here you'll want to choose the business option. This will provide you with a range of features tailored specifically for business operations. Once you've selected business, hit Get Started to move forward. Now it's time to provide some basic information. You'll need to enter your legal name, your email address, and create a strong password. Remember, security is crucial, so consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for your password to ensure it's robust. Once you've filled in these details, proceed to set up your business account. The next step involves selecting the type of business account you want to set up. PayPal provides options suitable for various business structures, whether you're a sole proprietor, a partnership, or a corporation. Choose the one that best fits your company profile. With your business type selected, you'll need to enter some additional details about your business. Be prepared with your business registration number, a description of your business, and your bank account details. It's essential to have accurate information on hand to ensure a smooth setup process. Before finalizing the creation of your account, you'll be prompted to review the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them, ensuring you understand all stipulations involved. When you're ready, click Agree and Create Account. This step signifies your agreement with PayPal's terms and confirms the creation of your account. PayPal will then send a verification code to your provided email address. This is a crucial security measure to confirm that your details are correct and to prevent any fraudulent activity. Simply check your inbox, retrieve the code, and enter it as prompted by PayPal. You might be asked for more in-depth information about your business, including your type of business and expected turnover. Providing this information helps tailor your PayPal experience to better suit your business needs. And there you have it. Your PayPal business account is now set up and ready to use. You can now enjoy the benefits of managing transactions more efficiently, reaching a broader customer base, and tracking your finances with ease. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.